This tutorial is to demonstrate how to install Rocky All-Takes Cobra Crossbars on a Kia 2022 Carnival raised roof rails. Please be reminded that thoroughly inspecting the crossbar towers before installation is crucial for ensuring the safety and efficiency of the installation process.
There are 2 aluminum bars, 2 left brackets, 2 right brackets, and its accessories including lock key, Allen key, and additional spares. Insert a key into the cover locks and turn them left and right to ensure they are in good condition. Use the Allen key to check all of the bolts on the top. At this time, leave them loose a bit. Please remember to check the bolt at the top right corner and its nut in the slot at the top. Make sure the nut brick lies in that slot evenly. It is used to fix the bar and brackets after they are assembled. Tighten the bolt to raise the clamp holding the rubber pad. This will help prevent the rubber pad from sliding out before mounting it on the rails. There is a plastic clip in the side slot at the top. It is an optional accessory that prevents the tower from sliding off the aluminum bar. Insert the bar into the tower socket. If the bar does not eventually fit into the socket, loosen the bolts at the top until the bar slides smoothly into the tube at the bottom and the clip clicks into the hole at the end of the bar. Slightly tighten the 2 bolts after the bar goes into the socket and ensure the bar can move in and out eventually, but not slide off easily. The plastic clip top should fall into the hole at the end of the bar. This clip is optional accessory to be applied but helps prevent the tower from sliding out of the bar. Before mounting the assembled crossbars on your vehicle, protect the rooftop with a soft towel or clothes. Identify the position to mount the towers at the rear and front. We suggest reserving at least 1 inch of space from the antenna for the rear crossbar. If there are factory reserved holes at the side rail inside, then initially use that position as a reference point. Loosen the second bolt from the top until there is enough space between the clamp and the rubber pad at the top so it can brace the roof rails from the inside. You can move the tower front or back at 45 angles, so it is easy to slide it along the side rail. Follow the same steps to the other end of the tower on the roof rail, extending one side bracket outward and keeping the downside L-shaped clamp close to the side rail from the inside, making the same adjustment to the other side of the bracket. Adjust the upper rubber pad to sit nicely on the rail top. Hold the clamp top end under the bar, then tighten the bolt from the top until the clamp tightens, holding the rail from the bottom. One thing to notice is that the aluminum bar side with a ridgeline at the top stays at the front, while the other flat side stays backward. Check the measurement mark at the top right side. This mark is used to adjust the position of the aluminum bar between towers and balance its distance, ensuring that the crossbar is centered on the vehicle. This is a crucial step in the installation process. After checking that the brackets and rubber pads are in the correct position, you need to confirm that all bolts, including 2 in the top center and 1 at the top right corner, the aluminum bars, and the brackets on the rails are fixed firmly. Gently fasten the bolts until they are tight enough and securely hooked on the rail. Work on the tower at both ends to ensure it is fully fixed on the rails. Using measurement tape to locate the position of the front bar, 27 to 30 inches of space to the rear installed crossbar is a reasonable distance for most applications. Repeat the same steps to mount the front crossbar properly. After checking that the brackets and rubber pads are in the correct position, you need to confirm that all bolts, including 2 in the top center and 1 at the top right corner, the aluminum bars, and the brackets on the rails are fixed firmly. Let the keyhole stay vertical, slide a cover from the top, and line up the lock along with the pull holes. Leave the cover's bottom sides in the rubber pad slot. Push the cover closer to the bracket until it reaches the end, then turn the key right to lock the cover. This Rocky All-Takes Cobra Crossbars set is for Kia Carnival raised roof rails. However, all vehicles with raised roof rails could use these Cobra Crossbars. Just make sure the proper clamps are ordered for the specific vehicle model. Please remember to check the brackets and their bolts are securely tightened before you load your gear on the crossbars for your journey. All of the clamps under the side rails should stay close to the bottom of the rails. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or problems, please contact us as soon as possible for support. Wind noise will be a concern if the crossbars are installed on a vehicle with a slopped rooftop or are not appropriately mounted. If you want to upgrade the rubber strip to improve wind noise, please follow the steps to install it. You can order it from Rokiotox or on Amazon separately.
Unlock the covers of crossbar towers on both ends and pull out the flat rubber strip from one end. Measure the distance between the towers along the aluminum bar and cut the striped rubber strip to that length. Put the stripped rubber strip on the crossbar, line up one end to the edge of the tower on top, and snap the strip into the T-track side by side. Cut the flat rubber into two short pieces in 3 inches or match the distance of the end space, then apply the short pieces at each end of the aluminum bar. For future adjusting requirements, the short strip piece could be up to 1 inch longer than the distance of each end. Once the strips line up smoothly, put the cover back on the towers. Thank you for watching. Please get in touch with us if you have any questions.